Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the demands of building a business while juggling a hectic lifestyle? I totally get that you want to build your own business and create the freedom in your life and work that you've always dreamed of. It's the driving factor for so many entrepreneurs. I understand the challenges you face and have the perfect solution for you. Imagine being able to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams without compromising on your personal and professional commitments. Now you might be thinking, I don't know if this is possible. I get it, it can seem like an impossible task, right? But I am here to tell you that it is completely possible. People are doing it right now inside the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. The 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge provides done-for-you templates, scripts, lead magnets, and more, and the entire business can be set up in a few hours or over a weekend. It's literally a set-and-forget business. Yes, you don't have to be stuck in front of a computer 24/7. This system does all the work for you and will do for years to come. This unique system empowers you to build a profitable business while still having time for what matters most in your life. Take control of your time and build a thriving business with the proven methods. Visit the link in the description to start today and discover how you can achieve success without sacrificing the balance you desire.